Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel again, another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video contains a very beautiful, elegant and exquisite collection of hand embroidered frocks. All of these hand embroidered frocks contains borderline embroidery designs, the beautiful floral motif embroidery designs, along with a very beautiful and sleek touch of overall floral embroidery pattern styles. Guys, this entire video collection contains stylized patterns of frocks that are suitable for sleek look, for very thin body curvatures, for persons who are underweight, and by wearing some sort of bulky flared frocks, they will look like healthy persons or a control weight persons. Like a chubby look would be created to ultra thin persons. So these very beautiful patterns of frocks are easy, beginner friendly. Some basic embroidery stitches are being used for embroidering the whole pattern. I hope that these design ideas are understandable by you and you are liking the patterns. If you really like these design ideas and patterns, so don't forget to try these patterns and don't forget to like this video, and in the comment section let us know that what you want us to share with you in our new and more upcoming videos. So not only adults, the video contains very beautiful patterns of hand embroidered frocks for teenagers, for toddlers, for baby girls as well. So the scope is vast in its content, and I hope you are getting not only embroidery ideas but also stitching stylized patterns, that how you are going to get your dress stitched as well. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more new upcoming videos on my channel. Up till then, take care.